Best window cleaner robots. As modern homes increasingly feature large glass surfaces, the demand for the best window cleaner robots has surged. These devices appeal to homeowners seeking convenience, durability, and consistently streak-free results. This guide evaluates top models based on cleaning type, build quality, navigation layout, safety features, and overall value for money. Whether you're maintaining high windows, glass doors, or mirrors, these robots offer reliable hands-free cleaning backed by smart technology.
Product number 1. HICSAP Smart Window Cleaning Robot. The HICSAP Smart Window Cleaning Robot stands out for its powerful suction and intelligent route planning, making it perfect for households with extensive glass surfaces. Its advanced AI navigation allows it to map cleaning paths efficiently, reducing missed spots while ensuring complete coverage. The robot offers 2 cleaning modes, dry and wet, ideal for both dusty surfaces and stubborn smudges. Built with durable components and a safety rope system, it stays firmly attached even on tall exterior windows. Users appreciate the quiet operation and strong motor, which delivers consistent suction while keeping vibrations minimal. The included remote control makes operation simple, even for beginners, allowing custom cleaning paths or spot cleaning. Its microfiber cleaning pads are washable and reusable, enhancing value over time. For homeowners looking for a dependable, smart, and budget-friendly cleaning companion, the HICSAP model delivers impressive performance with minimal effort required.
Product number 2. Automatic Window Cleaning Robot. The automatic window cleaning robot is a straightforward yet effective solution for maintaining clean windows without manual labor. Designed with a high-powered suction system, it adheres securely to various glass surfaces, including framed and frameless windows. Its automatic cleaning mode is ideal for those who want a simple press-and-go experience. The robot follows a systematic zigzag pattern, ensuring even coverage across the entire window. Its lightweight build makes it easy to set up and store, while the included safety harness provides peace of mind during high-level cleaning. The robot's washable microfiber pads help trap dust, fingerprints, and grime efficiently, restoring clarity and shine to windows in minutes. While it lacks some advanced app connectivity found in pricier models, its dependable performance and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for homeowners who prefer convenience and reliability without unnecessary complexity.
Product number 3. Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro Window Cleaning Robot. A top-tier option, the Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro combines premium build quality with cutting-edge cleaning technology designed for seamless window maintenance. It features upgraded dual-direction cleaning modes that work together to remove even the most stubborn residues. The WinBot's powerful suction mechanism and enhanced edge detection allow it to navigate safely and accurately even on frameless windows. Its 3-layer cleaning cloth system tackles dirt, water stains, and dust in a single pass. One standout feature is the intelligent WinBot app, which provides real-time monitoring, cleaning mode customization, and progress tracking. The safety tether system and anti-slip drive wheels ensure reliable performance on high or vertical surfaces. Ecovacs has also improved its noise reduction technology, making operation quieter than many competitors. While it comes at a higher price point, its superior results, smart features, and dependable design make it one of the best window cleaning robots for luxury homes. Product number 4. Tosima W5 Window Cleaning Robot. The Tosima W5 window cleaning robot is a versatile household tool ideal for large windows, sliding doors, and mirrors. Equipped with a strong brushless motor, it delivers excellent suction stability and smooth movement during operation. The W5's intelligent route planning allows it to clean efficiently in either N or Z patterns, ensuring full coverage regardless of window size.
Its durable design makes it suitable for both home and office use. The robot offers voice prompts, alerting you to its cleaning status or any issues detected during operation. This user-friendly touch helps beginners operate the device effortlessly. Its microfiber pads effectively remove smudges, dust, and oily fingerprints, leaving windows sparkling clean. Additionally, the backup battery system keeps the robot secured to the window for several minutes during power loss, minimizing safety risks. For users seeking a balance of smart features and affordability, the Toshiba W5 is a solid contender.
Product number 5. Hut S7 Window Cleaning Robot. The Hut S7 Window Cleaning Robot offers exceptional precision and cleaning strength, making it a favorite among tech-savvy homeowners. Its standout feature is the ultra-strong suction system, delivering steady adhesion even on challenging vertical surfaces. The S7 uses a smart algorithm to map and navigate windows, adjusting its cleaning path to maximize efficiency and minimize overlap. This ensures a thorough clean with fewer passes. The dual-spray water mist system enhances cleaning power by loosening dirt before the microfiber pads wipe the surface. Its high-density pads absorb moisture well, leaving glass streak-free. The robust construction and advanced sensors allow the S7 to detect edges and obstacles, making it suitable for a wide range of glass types. The safety backup battery, anti-fall protection, and remote control options further enhance its reliability. For high-performance window cleaning with minimal manual oversight, the Hut S7 is an excellent premium pick.